Welcome to the Loco Fam. Coach Jay here, giving you a quick tutorial on the Zenplanner app. You see it sitting on my home screen there. It's available through Apple or Android. You'll download it. You'll log in using the information that we just emailed to you. You can set a permanent password. Once you do that, we'll open the app up, and it is going to default to this calendar page. And everything you see on your calendar page is available to you. So you only see classes that you have available on your membership. So let's say I wanted to come at noon on this Monday. I can just hit the reserve button, and that is going to add me as reserved to that class. Let's say now I want to reserve for Tuesday as well, and I'm going to come at 5:30. I can hit reserve there, and I'm now reserved for that class. Then I have this handy button over to the right-hand side where you can see the reservations that you have moving forward. We cap classes at 12 people, so that means if you're holding a spot, somebody else cannot come. So if you can't make that class time, all you have to do is hit the reserved star again, and down at the bottom you'll see cancel reservation, and we can back out of our reservation that way. Now you can see I only have one reservation. Last thing you can do with Zenplanner, if I hit this Z in the top left corner and then I hit details underneath my name, you're going to see the membership you have on file. You're going to see your card that's on file. You can see at the bottom you can add a payment method. So if you need to change cards, this is where you would do it. You can also see any upcoming bills that you have due and bills that you have paid. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Carly or info@locomotionfit.com, or you can give us a text as well. Enjoy your day.